Hello, class. We have our irregular verbs again that we've been talking about this week. Today, I want to talk about the last column on our irregular verbs page, which is the past participle. All right, so that uses our helping verb too, but in the past tense, like has. And usually to make the past participle, we just use has and then the past tense of our verb. So if we look at buy, our past participle is has bought, right? She has bought a new car already this year. Has bought, right? And which ah do we use in bought? Good, we use o, oo, uff, off, ah, ow. So go ahead and write has bought. All right, so this is our past participle of buy, has bought, remember? So we've got our helping verb, and then usually it's just our past tense verb. Okay, so for bring, it would be has brought. She has brought me lunch every day this week. Has brought. Go ahead and write has brought for your past participle of bring. All right, so this is our past participle of bring, has brought. Remember, so we just have our helping verb there and then our past tense. Okay, so for think, it's has thought. He has thought about that for a long time. Has thought. Go ahead and write has thought for your past participle of think. All right, so this is our past participle of think, has thought. So once more, just using our helping verb, has, and then the past tense, our past tense. Okay, so it's going to be the same thing for lead. The past tense of lead is what? Right, led. So our past participle is going to be has led. Go ahead and write has led. All right, has led is our past participle of lead. You could say, the king has led the army in 12 battles. Has led. So almost always the past participle is going to be our helping verb in the past tense. But sometimes our past participle is irregular as well. And speak is an example of that. What's the past tense of speak? Right, it's spoke. Let's see. I think I'll write that up. You can just write spoke somewhere else on your practice paper. Right? Because to get our past participle of speak, it's not just has spoke, right? We wouldn't say that. It's has spoken. Okay, so we're adding that en ending. And of course, since we're adding a vowel suffix and this ends with a silent final e, we are going to drop it. Okay, so we're going to drop our silent final e. And then add n. All right, so for our past participle for speak, it's has spoken. So we have spoken here. We've got to add in the helping verb. So I want you to write has spoken next to speak. All right, so speak is an exception. Remember, usually we'll just do our helping verb in the past tense of our verb. But for our past participle for speak, it's has spoken. So this is an unusual one. Usually for our past participle, it's just our helping verb and then the past tense. But this one is a little bit different. Now that you have all these words written in your practice paper, I want you to go ahead and add them to page 19 in your orthography notebook. So go ahead and add them on this fourth column here, the past participle. Make sure you put that helping verb in there as well. After you've done that, or go ahead and do that, and then you can unpause the video because I have a couple of sentences for you. All right, our first sentence is, the king led the army. The king led the army. All right, our next sentence is, he has spoken many times. He has spoken many times. All right, nice work today, class, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.